In this video, I'll show you how you can directly link your v380 panoramic camera to your phone without using the Wi-Fi router. So let me quickly power up my v380 panoramic camera so that we can get started. After the camera has fully initialized and its access point is ready, you can then go onto the phone and locate the v380 Pro app. In case you haven't yet installed this app, it is available on Play Store or iStore for free download and installation on your phone. So we would launch the app. This is the home page of the app. Because we want to add a new camera, we will tap on Add Device right here. Since we will not use a Wi-Fi or a wireless router, we will be using this instruction rather than any other instruction here. So we'll tap on Add Device right here. We require the camera's ID here, and this is where we can find both the ID and the QR code on the camera. You can decide to scan the QR code to reveal the device ID, or you can directly input the ID manually. So I will manually input my camera's ID, which is 62542620. Before you confirm, you must ensure that you have internet present on your phone, not necessarily a Wi-Fi. It can be internet that is provided by your phone's SIM card, because the app is cloud-based and can only authenticate the device ID online. But after the confirmation, you may decide to turn off the phone's internet. That is if you so wish, because apart from the authentication, internet is not a requirement for this kind of setup that we want to do. So we'll tap on confirm. It's loading. And you can see the camera is successfully added. So for us to be able to view the camera on the phone, we need to establish a local connection to the camera through the camera's access point. And the access point of the camera can be detected by the phone in the form of a Wi-Fi signal. So what we'll do is that we'll go onto the phone and turn on the phone's Wi-Fi so that the phone can search for the access point of the camera, which will appear as a Wi-Fi signal. Here is the camera's access point. I can recognize it because my camera's manual tells me that the access point of the camera starts with either MV or HV. So you need to also refer to your manual to know the name that the access point of your camera will appear like, so that you'll be sure of what to pick when you are searching for the access point of your camera. So I will select it. You can see that the phone is now connected to the camera as indicated here. So now tap on Done and Exit. So we can now go to the home page of the app by tapping on Back to Home page. We will select the three dots here, go to Settings, input the camera's password, and confirm. We'll go back to the home page from here. So tap on the camera to load live previews. And there you have it. Because this is a direct connection to the camera, I can still turn off my phone's internet and still be connected to the camera. You can see that the video is still live even though I have turned off the internet on my phone, simply because I have connected the camera directly to my phone through the camera's access point. And this is possible as long as my phone is in the coverage area of the camera's access point. With this kind of setup, you can have your recordings done and also view your camera recordings from your SD card through your phone. What you cannot do is that you can't remotely access or view the camera videos using this method. Your view of the camera is only limited to you being within the coverage range of the camera's access point. Once you move away from the camera's access point, you cannot see your camera videos anymore. but your video recordings will still go onto your SD card, which you can play back once you are close or within the range of the access points of the camera. For remote view from anywhere you are in the world, you need an internet router connected to the camera. In a later video, I will show how the remote view setup is done using a wireless router, so that you can view this camera from wherever you find yourself in the world, whether far or near. Please ensure you give this video a thumbs up. That will encourage us to do more and more of these videos. And also please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.